In the name of Allah. Hi everyone, today I want to show you in this video how to image to PDF convert online free. Step by step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC. Welcome Afghan World Education YouTube channel.
Let's say you have an image and you want to image to PDF converter online free. So to convert the image to PDF converter, just click the link in the description. First open the site. This is the site which will help us convert an image to PDF converter online free. So click select file and then select the image which you want and click open. And here selects the PDF format. And here click convert. And here a few second wait image to PDF converter online free. As you can see automatic download. The file will be downloaded to your computer. Now if you open it. And here you can see we have get the PDF file. This is how to image to PDF converter online free. It's a very easy way. Catch you next video, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.